Okay, I'm gonna make this quick video just to save people a lot of time, because I've had this problem and I haven't been able to get it off, and I've worked it out. So to change the rear springs on an Audi A6 C6, this is an Avant, but I'm pretty sure they're all pretty similar. I've had to take all this off, not because of the springs, because I needed to change them. But to get this off, you need to take that subframe bolt out, which is that one there, which goes in here. Then you've got to take this one out that goes in there, which is attached to this piece of metal, which has two bolts there and there that are these 10mm, I think they're M10 multi-spline, I think they're called. So once that's off, that's off. I've got a jack underneath it just to hold it in place. I've got told the rear caliper has to come off, but I don't really see why that did have to come off. But anyway, and now it's finally dropped enough to get in there, so I'm hoping that I can get that in there now.